I think clearly there is some bit of a signaling from the Fed governor that should the economy continue to show the momentum that's showing now in terms of the strong payroll data, interest rate hikes may come sooner than expected. At the same time, they've talked about specific kind of an asset bubble in a part of market in biotechnology, certain other internet technology shares. But more important from a market perspective is that if US continues to build on the momentum, we may see rate hikes next year. So unlike what's happened in first half of this year where all EMs have performed, I think it's going to be each to its own merit. It's going to be a heterogeneous performance across emerging markets. Countries, economies who do the right things in terms of reducing the subsidies, reducing the deficits in attracting foreign direct investments will do much better than the others. Essentially, again, it's more of a reiteration of what they've said in the past, which is look at the economic data, look at how Fed's policy is getting aligned to. We're seeing literally end of tapering happening by October. So it's going to be Fed's kind of a comfort with the pace of recovery in the economy and their concerns about building inflation risk which comes in the economy. Yeah, clearly, I think India stands out in terms of the prospects it has over the next 3 to 5 years. If you look across other big economies in the region, China suffers from overinvestment, which is a much difficult problem to solve and which is going to take much longer. Underinvestment is always a simpler problem, provided you have the right kind of a policy framework in terms of the government or the central bank for that. So which is where India is bound to attract investments. But I think a more meaningful shift in the quantum of investments would happen when we see FDI picking sizably from here, because for economy to go back to 6 to 8%, for infrastructure rollout build up to happen, we need to see this FDI go from a 25 billion annual number to about a 50 to 75 billion in next 2 years.